Hey, I'm Paul with Rack Attack, and this is the Thule Hullaport XTR folding vertical kayak carrier. And the main advantage of a vertical kayak carrier is that it uses very little roof rack space, leaving more of your roof rack system left over for other carriers on the opposite side of your roof rack. Also, this design has the lever on the side to allow you to rotate down the upper portion so that you have excellent aerodynamics and also better garage clearance when it's in the stowed position. Some other standout features here, you have an integrated ramp which allows for easier loading of the kayak from the side. And then the kayak is held on a rubber section to provide grip, and then foam on the upper section. Now this upper section is tubular steel for good strength with a durable black powder coat finish. Also here at the top you have a guide for straps, which we'll show you that on our other unit here in a moment. And then also we have a means of attaching to a wide range of different roof rack crossbar styles using the integrated tool, which engages into a fastener on the side here, and that allows you to tighten up this flexible stainless steel band. Now once you have that fully tightened, you can put the tool back into place, snap that back on, and then just with a coin you can turn that lock plug to hold that tool in place there. Now let's look at that a little bit closer on our other unit here. Now on this one, we've actually opted to put in the optional Thule one-key system lock cylinders to provide a higher level of theft deterrent. So now this is part of Thule's one-key system, which means you can actually buy these in match sets. So not only the two separate cradles can be key matched, but if you happen to get a set of four, all four can be key matched. And that can even be extended beyond to match with your roof rack system as well as all other Thule one-key system compatible carriers. Now here you can see how we've attached this to a section of Thule crossbars and how the stainless steel rubberized strap is conforming around that bar and providing a really strong grip. Also you can see the curved sections to help match with the shape of the load bar. Now here we can look at the StrapCatch at the top there, and the idea behind that StrapCatch is that allows you to attach the strap while it's in this lowered position. So just above your roof rack crossbar you can engage the strap and then flip your upper mast into place, and then once you have your kayak loaded onto the cradle, you swing the straps across to the opposite side. Now here's an example that's noted in the manual for strapping, is when you have excess bar extending beyond the foot, you do not want to strap under the bar like that. Instead, you would strap under behind the foot. And that'll go into detail in the instruction manual, which is clearly illustrated. Now, another thing that you should know about this design is it does have a stacker mode. And the stacker mode means you can position the upper section here completely vertical, and that's considered stacker mode, which means you can stack a second kayak to the outside of the cradle section here. And then that way you can carry two kayaks on with just this one carrier. Now that's all defined in the manual showing the correct method of strapping, and it does require an extra set of these straps. Now with this product, you do get two of these straps, and these are the Thule heavy duty straps. They are nylon straps. They use a cam buckle to make it very easy to run the strap through, and there's no special tying required. You just run the strap behind the buckle, through the cam, and then once it's through the cam, you can pull out more slack. And then it includes the buckle bumper to provide protection against the metal of that buckle from touching the vehicle and hurting the vehicle. So a nice addition. So a set of 2 of these are included with your set of 2 of the cradles. Now, in addition to that, you also will receive 2 of the bow stern tie downs. So these are rope to secure the front and rear of your kayak to the hard points on the front and rear of your vehicle as an added safety precaution, and these are also included. Okay, well, those are all the key features of the Thule Heliport XTR. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. And if you have any questions or comments on this particular product, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching.